Okay, today is our first look at writing Qt code in Python by hand, and today we're going to create just a basic window. So here we go. I'm going to use Vim as my text editor. Once again, just use the text editor that you prefer. And we're going to create a script. We'll call it win.py. We're going to start off like all of our scripts, our Python scripts, with the shebang, and it looks like this. And Python. That just lets our operating system know that this is a Python script and to use the Python interpreter. Then we need to import a module. Import sys. And then from the pyqt4, that's a capital P and a capital Q, it is case sensitive, we're going to import Qt GUI with a capital G. Next, we're going to create an object. We're going to call it app. And we're going to go Qt GUI, and it's going to be a Q application. And we're going to say sys.argv. Okay, and now we're going to create our basic window object. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it win. And that win object is going to be a Qt GUI Q widget. And once again, remember this is all case sensitive. Capital Q there, capital G there, capital Q and W there. So we've created our window object. Let's set its size. We'll say win.resize. And then we'll just give it a size of, we'll say 400, no, we'll say 600 by 400 in size. So we have a window we've created here. We have the size of the window here. And now we just have to make the window visible. So we'll say win, so our win object, and we'll say show. Last thing we need to do is we're going to use sys.exit, and inside parentheses we're going to say app.exec underscore and then parentheses. And this is basically going to start, that should be a period, not a comma there. This is basically going to be our main loop. It's going to loop this, so keep the window open until you hit the X in the top corner, in which case it will kill the entire script. Let's save that. Make it executable with change mod plus X for executable, and the name of our script, win.py in this case, and then / to run it. And here is the window we just created. We can resize it if we want, but the default size is 600 by 400. We'll close it by clicking the X up there. We can go up to Vim here. We can edit it again. Let's add something in here. We're going to say win.set window title with a capital W in the window and a capital T in the title. And then in parentheses and inside quotations, we're going to put what we want the title of the window to be. By default, it said the name of the script. It said win.py. But we'll say this is my window. We'll save it, we'll run it, and there you can see it says this is my window. And once again, I didn't point it out before, but if you look back in the video, if you don't set a title, it just says name of your script. It said win.py up here before. And that's the end of this first handwritten script, Python script using Qt4 to create GUIs. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, hope you found it useful, and hope you visit my site, filmsbykris.com. It's Chris with a K. The link is in the description for more video tutorials like this. And visit filmsbykris.com/forum for our forums, and also chat with us in the IRC channel at Freenode at filmsbykris. If you don't have an IRC client, you can use the web-based one at filmsbykris.com/IRC. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.